Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Pi Network Mainnet checklist. Pi Network is a mobile cryptocurrency project that lets you mine your Pi coin directly from your phone. Now the Pi is moving to the mainnet, it's important to follow the mainnet checklist to secure your Pi and ensure it's ready for the transaction. And in this video I'll show you exactly how to complete your Pi Network Mainnet checklist step by step. So first, the mainnet checklist ensures your account is fully prepared to interact with the Pi mainnet. It helps verify your identity through your KYC, secure your wallet, ensure your Pi coins are transferable when mainnet goes live. Completing the checklist is mandatory to make a Pi usable outside the app. So first you need to open to your Pi Network app here. Once you reach into this dashboard, in the top left, select this three line here and find the mainnet. Just below the home, tap on the mainnet, and over here you will see all of the mainnet checklist. You can also complete your KYC verification over here and secure your wallet. Make sure your wallet is backed up, save your recovery phrase safely, do not share it with anybody to avoid losing a Pi, and read the mainnet terms and use carefully. Confirm your account to indicate that you are ready for the mainnet migration, and once all the steps are done, your checklist should show complete and meaning your account is ready for the mainnet. Make sure to keep the app updated to the latest version. Double check all the personal details before submitting. And that is it. Following this checklist, ensure your Pi account is fully mainnet ready. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.